Vink van Dillen. Grand Dam is sibling to Grand Prix stallion AD Unaniem. Under Harry Smulders, sire Uricas van de Kattevennen competed in the individual final of the Olympic Games and won the Grand Prix of Riesenbeck and St. Gallen. Uricas has made a promising start in breeding as well. He is paired here with the high-performance line of the Grand Prix stallion Unaniem, making Vink van Dillen related to a series of international show jumpers. His dam Nika Sena is a sibling to the 1m45 horse Esivona, while Grand Dam Sivona is a sibling to Unaniem and the 1m50/160 horses Edelvona and Fantast. This is also the dam line of the 1m50 horse Flairvona.